We now start looking at various uses of the noun, the first of which is how to express place where, otherwise known as the locative in Xhosa. Here the vowel endings play a very important role, and these are highlighted for us in the examples as we go along. So here we have then idrowa, edroweni, isofa, esofeni, umhlaba, emhlabeni, a, eni, eni, itafile, etafileni, ibhotile, ebhotileni, ilizwe, elizweni, eni, eni, umthi, emthini, ikhitshi, ekhitshini, incwadi, encwadini, ini, imoto, emotweni, isitulo, esitulweni, isikolo, esikolweni, weni, indlu, endlwini, isisu, esiswini, uluhlu, eluhlwini, wini, One exception with isitovu, which becomes esitovini, and that is because the combination vuini, as you can hear, is difficult to articulate, and therefore the w falls away. So the final vowels changed as follows. A goes to eni, e will be eni, I will be ini, O will be weni, U will be wini. Although this happens with most nouns, there are, as we read, many exceptions. The words beginning with a double I, remember the imaginary Z we placed between the two I's. So the double I becomes ezi. Ivenkile, ezivenkileni. Incwadi, ezincwadini. Then words with the subject link lu, remember we placed an imaginary lu there, and therefore it is easy to see how u and in brackets lu donga becomes elu dongeni. Uviwo, an exam, eluviweni. Okay, so the u then becomes elu. There are certain words which only take the initial e and none of the endings brought about by the final vowel, such as intloko, the head, entloko, on the head, ubusuku, night, ebusuku, during the night, imini, day, emini, during the day, ubusika, winter, ebusika, during the winter, ulwandle, the sea, elwandle, to or in or at the sea, ikaya, home, ekaya, at home. Same also applies to most place names. For example, Ipai, Port Elizabeth, Epai, in Port Elizabeth, Ikapa, Cape Town, Ekapa, in Cape Town, Imonti, East London, Emonti, Ichini, Grahamstown, Echini, in Grahamstown. So while our examples only give the meaning in, it stands to reason, or goes without saying, that the can also mean to, or from, or at. However, it gets a little bit more difficult when certain difficult combinations occur. In other words, when the O, the BO, for example, should become, for example, bueni. So that is difficult to pronounce. So there are certain sound changes come about, and we find those explained for us in our manual on unraveling Xhosa on page 17 with diminutives, and with the passive on page 67, and of course here in this video. So a word like ihlobo does not become ehlobweni, but ehlotyeni. Ehlotyeni. Umbobo does not become embobweni, but embojeni. Umlomo does not become emlomweni, but emlonyeni. Intamo does not become entamweni, but entanyeni. Umlambo, not emlambweni, but emlanjeni. Usapho does not become sapweni, but it is also one of those ulu words, so therefore we have elu sa cheni. So the bo, or rather the b, becomes kya, the b becomes j, the m becomes nya, the m again becomes nya, mb becomes nj, and the p becomes ch. Finally, with the groups of nouns referring to people, we do not use the initial e, as we used with all the other nouns, but rather the following. So with umama, we have ku mama, utata, ku tata, upita, ku pita, umeri, ku meri, and so on. Words beginning with aba, we have abazali, parents, becoming ku bazali. Abafundi, ku bafundi. So we merely prefix a k there, and we replace the a with ku. But in the case of ugqirha, the doctor, we do not say ku gqirha, but rather kwa gqirha, which means actually to the doctor's rooms. Good, that concludes this video then. Enkosi, thank you.